Hello everyone, this is Andre from the Bushcraft Mood team, and today we'll be reviewing the THRUNITE BSS V4 tactical flashlight. This comes with a super bright 2500 lumens LED, a rechargeable IMR 18650 battery, and red filters, which makes it an ideal flashlight for any outdoor, airsoft, or even security activities. In our opinion, it can be used as an effective self-defense weapon, a day-to-day around the house light. You can use it to read maps in the dark or just have it as a primary emergency light in either your house or your car. Unboxing it made us realize that the V4 actually comes with a combination of features and accessories that really sets it apart from other competitors within its price range. The welcome kit comes with instructions and two options of attaching the flashlight to your belt, leaving it up to you to decide between the holster or the metal clip. You get a standard micro USB charging cable which will allow you to charge the battery at any point during the week. And you also receive a lanyard. We'll talk a bit later about how well fitted the lanyard hole is. The red filter is an extremely interesting feature which we'll be describing a bit later on, and to top it all off you will also be receiving a THRUNITE gift card. This is very bright, even reflected off the table. The mode spacing is good, and we use direct to moonlight with a single long press of the side button or direct to turbo with a double tap. The bezel is aggressive and incredibly strong. It would certainly do damage to a person, though hopefully it never comes to that. It screws on and off easily, so if you want to hold a normal looking light and not scare anyone, you're good. We went for the desert tan and we really liked it. The anodization is smooth and consistent, and we're happy to have a standard option that isn't black. It's got an understated but very effective jimping on the entire body that moves away from the sandpaper style grip. It also has a good lanyard attachment hole, as it comes with its own lanyard, and as far as waterproofing goes, it works perfectly submerged in water. It comes with a 3100 milliampere battery, which is great. The overall size is in between most compact 18650s and many tactical lights, which tend to be bigger. It's also very light and easy enough to stick in a pocket, so you don't have to swing it around. It's very quick to charge, and it comes with its own charger cable, and it has a very clear power indicator. The button is well indexed and has a nice click. We personally haven't had to charge it a lot, all we did was top it off, but you can take this on a trip for a week and charge it from your computer and always have it ready. The red filter is a great option to have. Leave it on it, use it at night, and much like the bezel, it goes on and off super easy. It's also really secure. There's not much loss of light, and it doesn't shock your eyes in the early morning. All in all, this will be our new go-to flashlight. We're very happy with it, and we've taken a few shots in the wild to show you just how we feel tested it.